Hello, I am Madhu. I am a twin flame divine masculine. I am a student of Jeffen Shelia and I am a certified twin flame ascension coach. And today I want to share my transformation that I have experienced with this work, with Jeffen Shelia's work, just by doing the inner work. My life has benefited a lot by doing this work, you know. And today it's not about giving testimonial, but it's about sharing my truth. It's about just sharing my truth. And you can see, if you have seen me before, you can see, how much I have transformed. So this is exactly what happens externally when you heal your blocks, heal your fear within yourself, right? Your twin flame, when you are on your path to your twin flame harmonious union, your twin flame is going to reveal your deepest fear to you. And then it's always up to you, like how you heal it and love yourself and just embrace your truth. And why we try to resist or try to get stuck most of the time, because when it is about that deepest fear, it feels like very heavy. It feels like very heavy and as if I am hitting the wall, right? Like I don't want to go beyond this. It's so scary. That's how it feels. And I lived a life up to like 35 years as a feminine, right? I had my husband, I had my son, I had my social life, right? I lived that absolute life as a feminine, as a female. And I started my twin flame journey. It's been 3 years, mostly 3 years now. And all that I did is just follow the teachings of Jeffen Shelia. Just follow the teachings of Jeffen Shelia. That's all I did. I never tried to define how it is going to, look like. No, this is what I am today. I have never imagined that this is what I am. No, this was not what I thought I am. Not at all. So all that I did is whatever upset was coming, I was just healing. I was constantly committed to my twin flame within myself, and I was absolutely determined that I just want to be with my twin flame. I just want my harmonious union. I want my perfect partner. I don't want anything else. So that is what very clear to me within myself, and I knew that much only. And then I just healed, and then this truth came to me, like the dark night of soul, that search for that truth, right? That was my spiritual path. I was like constantly searching the truth. What's the truth? What's the spiritual truth of me? And then I reached here that I found that I am a divine masculine. And it was not easy initially. The moment you are seeing me now, I'm quite settled. I'm at peace now. But it was not easy when it was revealed to me. It was the most fearful thing for me. The most. Whatever blocks I have cleared before, in front of this block, all of them are feeling like those were very easy. So that is exactly what I feel now. So because this block was taking me to a state like where I am completely losing my identity, like absolute end of the ego, absolute end of what I believed who I am. That was ending. Because when you really come to the point where you just dissolve what you believe you are, then you will see your true self. And with your true self, it will become so natural for you. so natural for you to be at ease. You know, it was always difficult for me to find out which is the perfect hairstyle for me. I always struggled with that. I always struggled to find a perfect dress for me as a female. I always have to have a company with me to finalize that. Correct? And today it was like just so easy, you know what I need to wear. I'm so sure about it. Which hairstyle I know which is going to look good on me, right? So it comes naturally because this is what I am. This is what I am, right? And with truth it becomes easy. Truth becomes easy to get into peace, right? It doesn't make you feel discomfort, you know, but just initially it will feel discomfort because it's just that ego playing its role and telling you, you know, don't go, don't do that, you know, because ego need that history, right? Ego need something to hold on to. But truth is free, truth is liberating. It doesn't need anything to hold on to. It just, truth will make you just be yourself, that's all. Just be who you are. You are absolutely lovable, you are absolutely worthy, and you are absolutely prosperous. That's the truth of yourself. And the eternal truth that yes, you are absolutely worthy of your twin flame harmonious union. And I feel that very deeply within my heart now. It was so difficult earlier because whenever I was trying to feel that harmonious union with my false twin flame, there was a like little bit discomfort, you know, that completeness was not there. That completeness was not there. There was something icky about it, you know, like no, there is something, I need more. I need something more to feel that complete unconditional love. And when I understand that yes, I am a masculine, and now when I feel my divine feminine, I feel it so easy and I feel so complete, right? And when I now when I know that my twin flame is a divine feminine, and I lived a life being a divine feminine, so I truly feel that oneness with her, because you know she is me and I don't have that fear. How is she going to look like, and how is she going to react to my feelings, or how is she going to, you know, be in harmony with me, because I have lived that feminine life, right? I'm one with my twin flame. So yes, don't be blown away with the fear that comes up to your awareness, because the fear or the you know, it will look like an upset. So when the upset comes, know that you can heal it. You can just heal it by loving yourself. It's just that, you know, you are scared within yourself, and you feel like you are not able to do that. But the truth, you know, the truth is eternal, right? It is just that separation is there within you. That's why you feel scary, you feel alone. There is no truth to that. The only truth is you are one with who you are truly. You can only be one with who you are truly, nothing else. And eternally you are the same thing, right? Eternally you don't change. It's just that body is changing, right? I might have changed my body, I have taken birth different lifetimes, but in this lifetime I can, like I have experienced the death, right? My like I just came out of the ego belief of I am a feminine, right? That is dead now. And now I am going to interact with the world from my true self, that I am a divine masculine. My eternal self is a divine masculine. The universe has only two polarity, divine masculine and divine feminine. That's why it is Shiva and Parvati, right? It is only that only, divine masculine and divine feminine energy. So all that you have to do is search that within you, connect with that eternal self, and then you will just flow into peace naturally. So the video was all about how my ego self of being divine feminine died, and how I got to know my true self of divine, being a divine masculine, and I am very peaceful about it, and I feel like a baby now, like just open to explore. And yes, I am not going to fall into uh, the societal conditioning of transgenders. No, I'm not going to do that. I am going to live the life uh, by the teaching of Jeffrey Shelia. I'm going to live the life with God only, and it is going to be peaceful. I know that because God has always shown me how loving is this world, how loving is everything when I love myself. So I will keep doing that deeper and deeper. And if you want to work with me, or if you have anything related to understanding of who you are, you have that quest within you, you can connect with me. I have given my website below. And know that there could be a fear that can come up, like that when you go deeper with yourself, you may find something that may discomfort you. Just release that. That's a lie, that you are going to find someone you are not going to love. That's not going to happen, because you are going to find the one that you have been searching from years, right? That you are searching externally as your twin flame. You are going to find that within yourself. So you are going to definitely love who the person that you are going to find by going within. So love yourself and connect with me. Thank you.